Okay, we are about to mount the gimbal to our TBS Discovery, and to make this as simple as possible, just leave the two front screws and the two back screws at the back are supposed to fit in the already cut out on your Discovery, so just slide it in, and this is the tricky part, to fit the screws and nuts on the bottom side, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, I have screwed the mounting in the bottom. It's the already cut out mount, and two screws in the front, and screw them so your mount will be stuck but not too hard. It should be screwed just perfect. And then you need to check your layout to see where you want to place the controller board. There are places in the bottom plate if you are not using the TBS core, but I'm gonna make it easy. I will simply place my board up here in the front. So just take your favorite double-sided tape and cut out some parts. It's easier to do it on the side of the camera, and I guess I will need to use double of this and peel off, and I'll do this and be back. Okay, I have mounted the Alex Moses control board. You can place it wherever you want, as long as the cables are binding free. I placed mine there, and we also have our mount for the FPV camera. I'm going to remove some double-sided tape just for my initial testings, and I'm going to mount the camera. I use hot glue. You can use whatever you want. I think hot glue is easy and simple, so I'll do that. Okay, I have used a couple of cable ties to secure the cables. I have long, you can shorten the cables to the motors if you want. I'm about to use this gimbal in another couple of machines where I need the long cables. And as this mount is really easy to remove, it's simple to remove it and put it on another machine, or bicycle, your skateboard, or whatever your feelings are. Just make use of longer mounting screws, and they will fit most you can think of. Make sure there is no binding in cables, that they have totally free movement and won't bind anywhere. Looks good. And I have also hot glued my FPV cam to our extended camera holder that fits the mounts for the original that comes with the TBS. As you can see, it's extended quite a bit just to get both the FOV view angle from the camera. So I'm just gonna fire it up to see if the system is good. Okay, look good. Just make sure that we have free movement. It just looks perfect. Okay. Then we're ready to put in some values to the controller and go test fly. Okay, you can see the settings that we have test flown this with, and it's actually quite good. These settings are for a 3S LiPo. I'm gonna use a 2S LiPo. So I'm just gonna test fly it and see what happens with these settings. So I'll do some test flight and get back to you guys.